Hello students, this is our fifth video of the chapter the fundamental unit of life. Okay, so the key points which we are going to discuss in this video are the two cell organelles, endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi apparatus. And what are cell organelles? These are the very small structures present in all cells, and these structures helps the cells to work efficiently. Okay, so the very first we are going to discuss is endoplasmic reticulum. In short, they call it as ER, right? So endoplasmic reticulum is that organelle which is found in the form of tubes or vesicles. Okay, and they provide a complete framework to the cell. Right? It supports the cytoplasm also. Depending upon the presence of ribosome, or we can say this, when we talk about the structure of endoplasmic reticulum, it is similar to that of plasma membrane. Now, endoplasmic reticulum is of two types. One is rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rough ER means endoplasmic reticulum, and second is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, so what is the difference between rough and smooth? As I told you that endoplasmic reticulum is like a vesicles. So when the ribosomes are attached on the surface of endoplasmic reticulum, these are ribosomes. Okay, ribosomes. So these presence of ribosomes makes the surface rough. So such type of endoplasmic reticulum on which there are small granules of ribosomes attached to it, such type of endoplasmic reticulum is called rough endoplasmic reticulum, and those endoplasmic reticulum which do not have any ribosomes on its surface, such endoplasmic reticulum is called smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Now, what are its functions? The very important function of this rough endoplasmic reticulum, it helps in, or we can say it is the protein factories. Okay, it helps in synthesis of protein. And whereas the function of this smooth endoplasmic reticulum is it helps in synthesis of lipids and protein. Lipids and fats. Lipids and fats. So children, some of these proteins and lipids helps in the formation of cell membrane. Listen once again. Some of the lipids and proteins helps in formation of what? Cell membrane. Okay? Cell membrane formation. This process is called membrane biogenesis. Membrane biogenesis. So, some proteins and lipids, I am writing here, proteins and lipids helping formation in cell membrane formation. This process is called membrane biogenesis. Some of these lipids act as enzymes also, and some of these lipids helps in formation of hormones also. So these are the some basic things. Then what next? What are other functions? Okay, it acts as channel for transport of material. First function, it helps in it acts as a channel for the transport of material. That transport is intercellular as well as intracellular. Now the second is it acts as a cytoplasmic framework. Okay, it provides a framework to the cell. Now in liver cells in vertebrates are the type of animals that have backbones. So in vertebrates, in liver cells, in the liver cells of the vertebrates, this endoplasmic reticulum helps in detoxifying the drugs. So what are its function? I am writing its function here. What was the first function? Act as cytoplasmic framework. Right? Cytoplasmic framework. This is first. Act as a channel of transportation. Act as a channel for transportation. Transportation both inter and intracellular. Both inter and intracellular. Okay. Now next is, what was the third? Yes, in vertebrates, in liver cells of vertebrates. In liver cells of vertebrates, it acts as, it detoxifies, not act as, it detoxifies. It detoxifies the drugs. Okay. So this is all about endoplasmic reticulum. See, these all are new words for you, new terms for you. So if you think that just watching the video one time you would be able to understand the topic, it will be difficult for you. So watch it twice and thrice. Okay. And please maintain the record of the assignment which I give you. Now our second is Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus. Right? Golgi apparatus was first discovered by Camillo Golgi. He was the scientist. Camillo Golgi. See, these are also the vesicle or tubules-like structure which are placed parallel to each other in the form of stakes, and these stakes are called cisterns. These stakes are called cisterns, and these are connected with endoplasmic reticulum. Right? So this was first discovered by Camillo Golgi. These are tubules or vesicles placed parallel or one above the other in the form of stakes, and these stakes are called cisterns. Now what are the functions of Golgi apparatus? Okay. Now the very first function of Golgi apparatus is it helps in the formation of lysosome. Formation of lysosome. What are lysosomes? Lysosomes are also one of the cell organelle. Okay. Then second is it converts simple sugar to complex. It converts simple sugar to complex. Okay. Now what is the next one? Very important one. Third. Whatever material is prepared by endoplasmic reticulum, this Golgi apparatus stores, modifies, packs and dispatch the materials synthesized by endoplasmic reticulum. The materials synthesized by endoplasmic reticulum. Right? So these are the functions of Golgi apparatus. Clear, children? Once again, formation of lysosome. Lysosome is a type of what? It is a type of, yes, cell organelle. It converts simple sugar to complex sugar. Then it stores, modifies, packs and dispatch the materials synthesized by endoplasmic reticulum wherever they are required in the cell. So children, this is all about the two organelles of the cell.